I hear a lot of horror stories about luxury vehicles and them not being reliable and so what and so forth. And with me specializing in luxury vehicles, selling them, driving them, all those type of things, I've seen a common theme. It's like I've seen a lot of people just really just go broke to get the vehicle of their dreams, whatever that means. And I understand the vehicle of your dream. Maybe it's not the newest one. You feel like that's when you're the stage you in your life at right now, and you want something. But I've seen them actually go like just broke on it, telling me they emptied out the bank, everything they basically had access as far as cash, they spent it on this vehicle. And I ask myself sometimes, like, dang, why do they do that? And then do they understand it's an expensive vehicle? So if you're gonna do something like that, you probably should have another method or way to be able to afford this vehicle, because this is not just affording a vehicle is not just having the money to purchase it, it's also being able to maintain it as far as whatever scheduled maintenance and the cost of repairs. So I think about that, and two things I see sometimes. They'll either get the vehicle and won't get an inspection first to make sure it's in good condition, and they'll just try to get a good deal and say, oh, I got a good deal, I didn't make sure it was a good car. Or they say, I don't know about cars. So the first thing I would recommend is make sure you get an inspection, make sure it's a good vehicle, and at least it's good when you buy it. That doesn't go on a lot. Second thing would be, don't purchase this luxury vehicle unless you know you have extra money saved up for the event of a repair and breakdown. And then the third thing is actually to alleviate the second thing. There's warranty companies. Never buy a luxury vehicle without a warranty. Make sure it's in good condition, get it inspected first, and make sure you get a good warranty. And then here's another thing about warranty. All warranties are not created equal. So you must be able to ask the dealer, what's the maximum liability in an event of a breakdown or repair? If they can't answer that question, that tells you that they are not aware of what type of warranty they're selling, and I would probably run. But so yeah, these key things right here I think can help your luxury car buying experience go a lot better, so you're protected from long-term expensive repairs with just buying a warranty, and all you have to worry about is the deductible. And then also having that small savings for things that aren't covered under a warranty, where you could be able to keep your vehicle running good, making sure it's getting scheduled maintenance yearly. And a lot of times I see that too. You'll get the car from someone who just had the car, and you'll see all the maintenance lights on. The car has been driving good, so they like, oh yeah, well I don't have to pay attention to that. It's just being cheap. And the reason why we do maintenance on cars is to avoid costly repairs. But if you don't do the maintenance, you know what's next? A costly repair. And just to piggyback off my video about the luxury car and warranty, I can give you an example. I purchased my Lamborghini, and of course I know this, so I practice it. I purchased a warranty for myself, and of course I know to sell myself a good warranty, so I didn't have to ask myself that question. I knew the answer. But I purchased a warranty. I believe the maximum liability on that was about $20,000. So that means whatever it was going to cost, the most they would pay was $20,000 in the event of repair. So I had a scenario. It was just simply some emissions or whatever. The bill came up to $7,000 and some change. Ask me how much I paid. $100. So let's look at it from two different angles. The first angle, in a typical scenario, you would think you pay that much for a car. Most people probably would pay that much for a car. You say, dream car. Lamborghini wasn't my dream car. I just wanted it just to have the experience, a business opportunity. But if I just buy that car because I'm all in, I can't afford anything else, and now this repair comes, I either drive it that way with the light on because it still drove good and everything was good, but the check engine light was on, I had to figure out what it was. I either drive it that way, or I go and get it inspected, and I have the horror story now of how expensive Lamborghinis are. Don't buy a Lamborghini. Or, in my scenario, I had the warranty. It's a luxury car, expensive. I buy another expensive luxury car and make sure I got a warranty. and I'll pay my $100 again, my deductible. So in this case, I'm still not scared to buy a luxury vehicle. The costs, it went to the warranty company, and then I still have that warranty to use again. Of course, we deduct the $7,000 from the $20,000 liability. I have $13,000 less, but I now have a better level of protection. And then the cost of that warranty, I think I paid maybe $5,600 for it. So I already won on the cost of the warranty on the first repair. Let that be. I want that to be it.